Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to edit song on iMovie. So let's get started. First of all, open the iMovie application from your mobile device and then open up a project where you have added songs in it. Once you open up the project with a song in it on the timeline, go ahead and tap on the song in the timeline to highlight it. iMovie does not offer advanced audio editing features like those found in dedicated audio softwares. However, you can perform basic edits to a song within your iMovie project. Once you select this song on the timeline, you will be able to see several options at the bottom. If you click on the scissor icon on the bottom left, you can go ahead and split your music clip into two. Click on the split button after selecting one of the area from the music and then click on split. You will be able to see two different parts of your audio on the screen. You can then select an area and make it your foreground on your timeline. In order to adjust the volume of your selected clip, click on the speaker icon at the bottom and drag the slider to increase or decrease the volume for the selected media. Tap on the fade option at the bottom right corner in order to use the fade handles on the audio clip in order to create a smooth transition. And that is how you will be able to edit song added on your iMovie project. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.